All right. I built this workflow where you will be able to scrape a transcript from YouTube and eventually add it to Google Sheets, analyze the thumbnail with OpenAI, and add it to Google Sheets. I will demonstrate how it works. So first we will grab a video. Let's do this one. Ashman Gold, and execute the workflow. Enter the video URL, submit, close the form. This is the form submission. This is a function node to extract the video ID, and this is an transcribe API, a Python library. Let me see where it is. This one. It's installed on my local machine with WebShare IO as a proxy. Currently they have an offer where you will get a residential proxy for just $2.75. So let's get back to the workflow. Then the whole transcript will be fed to the agent. This is the system prompt. It uses a memory tool to keep track of the videos that are already done. And it's using the think module to think about the output. For this, we're using GPT-4.1. And then the output, the transcript, will be split up in two parts because we can only add 50,000 characters to one Google Sheet. Then it will be appended to the Google Sheet. So there will be voiceover generated because you can generate a new video about this whole video, and the transcript will be saved to use it for other things than just this small workflow. This is it. If you have any questions about the workflow, just contact me or let me know.